We have now pre-refined the nibs. We have a paste. This paste has now entered into our ball mill, and there's about 100,000 little balls that look like ball bearings. They're thermal hardened alloy, and they're extremely hard metal. And now the fibers that are consisting of that nib and the cocoa fat that makes up the other approximately half is going to mix together and become very liquidy in this ball mill right here. And so there's a shaft that runs right down the middle, and there's arms on this shaft, and as it rotates, the balls agitate, smashing together and working the cocoa mass material through the balls before it pumps back up and starts this process over and over and over again, to the point where the friction that's generated makes it hot, and as the balls make the fibers smaller, you have something that looks like very liquidy looking chocolate. After about 45 minutes to an hour in this machine here, we have now achieved a certain micron size that is around 50, before we can then pump it over to our buffer tank. It's a 1-ton tank that we would then collect all of what we now call cocoa liquor.